Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with one of my most favorite recipe, that is homemade Thai fried chicken by just only 6 ingredients. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start to marinate the homemade Thai fried chicken. Here I already take one chicken, that is an 8 pieces of chicken. I already soaked from the water there. I didn't take any extra water over there. And as the ingredient today, I'm going to use the hot and sweet chili sauce, dark soy sauce. Here is garlic and ginger paste, some salt according to taste, some red chili powder. So within just 2 to 3 hours we can make this chicken at home, and it's very healthy and tasty, and the taste will be exactly like restaurant. So now I'm going to start to adding all the ingredients. At first I'm adding the hot and sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, here I already take 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. In total 2 tablespoons. I will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If anyone wants to make it a little bit of less spice, they can take a half teaspoon of chili powder. And I'm taking 1 teaspoon of salt, not too much, not more than that, because in dark soy sauce I do have little bits of salt already I'm adding there. So now I'm going to start to mixing the chicken with all the ingredients. I need to keep it marinated for 2 to 3 hours, at least 2 hours. Then the chicken will be start to frying. So today I'm using just only now here 5 ingredients, and after that I will use the corn flour or frying the preparing for the fry. So now I need to wait for another 2 hours. I will keep it refrigerated. After 2 hours I will start to frying this chicken, then I will show it. After 2 hours I take out this chicken and I add 1 cup of 200 gram of corn flour. Now I'm going to start to mixing this corn flour with the chicken. I didn't add any other water or anything else or any like a normal flour, just only corn flour. Mix it properly. And on the other hand, I already start to frying this chicken, and I already pan the hot, and I already add here 200 ml of sunflower oil to make it hot, and mixing this chicken properly with the corn flour. Then I'm going to start to frying this one. So I keep here just a lower heat, but I have to maintain the temperature because I need to keep the frying this chicken for at least 15 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes in each side. Now I'm going to start to frying this one and put it in hot oil. Cook at least 5 to 7 minutes in each side. Then we'll turn to the opposite side. Maintaining the temperature is very important. If I raise the flame, so it will be burned outside, but inside it will not be cooked. So it's very important tips. I'm putting all the chickens. I have to wait at least 5 minutes to turn it to the opposite side. After 5 minutes, this is the look. One side is almost done, but not properly, so I can try to turn it to the opposite side. So I have to wait another 10 minutes to cook properly on both sides. But we can't cook it in extremely high temperature. The temperature is very important to maintain. So I'm going to turn into opposite all the chickens and we'll cook it another for 10 minutes. After another 10 minutes, this is the look of the chicken. It's cooked in both sides. It's now like brownish coloration. Now I'm going to start to take it out from the oil and turn off the flame. Cooking is done. After frying, I take it out from the hot oil and I serve this chicken with the hot tomato sauce. This is the look of the chicken. It's very crispy and the very delicious smell is coming out. So please try to make this recipe at home. I hope that everyone will like it. If you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.